Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. I think people often ask me when I talk to them about writing good quality BDD scenarios is, well, how do you test a user interface? How do you test what happens when you click on buttons and what happens when you enter values in the fields? And so what you might say is, well, it's easy. You say, given I click on this button, when I enter this value in a field, then I should see a pop-up. You can write a scenario like that. But here's my advice. As soon as you've written that scenario, delete it. Completely get rid of it. Delete it totally. Erase it from your mind. That is not an effective way of using the given, when, then format. Behind every UI interaction, behind every UI sequence, there is a business need, a business goal hiding there somewhere. There's an outcome that the business are really interested in. They don't care about clicking buttons. They don't care about fields. If they could do it with telepathy, they'd love that. So what you really want to focus on is, what are the business outcomes you're looking for? What are the goals that you're trying to achieve? Why are you clicking on that button? Why are you entering that field value? Why are you filling in that form? What's the outcome that you're trying to achieve? The value is never, ever in filling in a form. People would avoid that if they could. There's no value for people in that. The value is what you can do with the data that you collect. There's what you can do when you click on that button. What is the outcome that you're trying to achieve? So that's what you want to be focusing on. And a good tip when you're writing BDD scenarios for the first time is to start with the outcome. Start with the then and work backwards. Think about what is the real goal that you're trying to achieve, and then work backwards through the when and the given. And you'll find that way you can avoid the trap of falling into UI-centric gherkin. Okay, that's all for this time. Thanks for listening.